Hi, this is Dr. Craig Tuttle. Today's topic, we're going to talk about head colds and influenza, what we like to refer to as low resistance or a weakened immune system. So with a head cold, typically the symptoms are congestion of the sinuses, cough, malaise feeling, feeling as if you're just kind of congested through your whole head, and you could possibly be running a fever with that as well. And with influenza, typically you're going to see congestion through the lungs, the bronchial tubes, upper respiratory type infections affecting your breathing and your function of your lungs and your esophagus and your breathing. And what typically happens is we refer to that as low resistance. Your body has a natural immune system which actually you're born with and develops over time. And that immune system, I like to think of them like Pac-Man, going around and eating up the germs and bacteria and viruses in your system. And what happens is that if your body is in a weakened state, which we call a low resistance state, which means your body's not as strong as it normally would be, either from poor nutrition, lots of emotional stress in your life, poor posture, maybe you're starting a workout program and your body's just run down and a little bit in a weakened state, or there's just been a lot of stress emotionally, physically, and chemically, or a combination of the above, causing your body's natural antibodies to be in a weakened state. So they're not going around like Pac-Man eating up all the germs in your body. So when your body gets into that state, then it's in a weakened state, and so you develop the symptoms of like congestion in your sinuses, fever, sore throat, cough, all the classic symptoms you think of when you have a cold or the flu. And the goal is to convert that and get that turned around, that state or that environment, what we call the host resistance, or your body's natural ability to get strong and be aggressive toward attacking that weakened state, so your body gets stronger, quicker, faster, and gets rid of the symptoms of the problem. So your body's in a stronger state or a high resistance state. So the way to do that is to make sure you're keeping your sleep up, because one of the things that stimulates your body's immune system to be stronger is definitely sleep. And next, you want to really focus on your nutrition as well. And with your nutrition, you really want to avoid things such as dairy products, sugar, caffeine. Those things will all weaken or cause you to destroy the environment of your body being in a healthy state. So they have a tendency to cause you to take longer to fight off colds and flus, or sometimes can, if you continue those bad habits, what they will do is actually cause you to go into a deeper set of diagnosis and symptoms such as pneumonia or pleurisy, and potentially even death long-term wise. So the key is to build that environment, create a healthier environment for your body to get stronger, quicker, faster. So we talked about nutrition, we talked about and with regards to nutrition, making sure you drink tons of water, drink brothy type soups, not creamy potato or anything with a lot of mucus or dairy products in it, which will lower your resistance. But chicken noodle soup, vegetable broth, vegetable beef barley soup, those types of things strengthen your immune system. And of course we talked about sleep as well. But also in chiropractic, what we do is we work on getting the pressure off the nerves that stimulate your sinuses to open up and to stimulate increased blood flow and your body's natural antibodies getting to the environment that's in a weakened state. For instance, your sinuses, your throat, your lungs, all those areas of your stomach, all those are very important areas that your body can get its natural antibodies into that environment. Again, I'm a visual learner, so I'll talk in terms of word pictures such as Pac-Man going in and eating up all those bad germs and viruses to make your body stronger, quicker, faster. And so that's why, like with my children and what I do personally, is when I get in a low resistance state, I immediately make sure I get adjusted, get the pressure off the nerves, then I really focus on my sleep and my nutrition to really get my body turned around quick. And usually within 24 hours, typically the symptoms of that condition are either dramatically improved or gone. And so, but I see people take days to sometimes weeks with their symptomatic picture because their body's in a very run down, weakened state, and it's not getting the things it needs, like good nerve messages, increase antibody reaction to that part of the body to get it stronger and quicker, faster. So that's some information today that will help boost your immune system and help you prevent head colds and flus. People I see that typically do those types of things, that focus on getting the pressure off the nerves, focus on getting enough sleep, reducing their stress level, and getting their nutrition level in alignment. What happens is they typically don't get colds and flus, and they'll go through the whole winter without colds and flus, and their immune system stays way stronger and they recover so much quicker. So I encourage you to heed that advice and follow through with those types of suggestions. If I can answer any questions, by all means, feel free to give me a call at my office, or you can go to my website, yourseattlechiropractor.com, and get information there as well. Our phone number here at the office, if you'd like to have an examination to see if you have a weakened immune system, to see if we can help you, and if you have pressure on those nerves that may be keeping your body from getting well, you can contact us at 206-467-8611, and we're also on our website. We have a free gift certificate. You can go to that and at yourseattlechiropractor.com, and you can print off a gift certificate for a free initial exam. We'd love to check you and do anything we can to help you, and by all means call me if you have any questions as well. Thank you for your time. We look forward to seeing you.